Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both laptops. Nearby sharing requires both radios active to discover devices. Once done, open Quick Settings with Win+A and locate Nearby Sharing. Toggle it on. Make sure the receiving laptop setting is set to either Everyone Nearby or a more restrictive option that still includes your device. Then choose where received files go, downloads, or a custom folder, so you won't lose transferred items. This prepares both machines for discovery and transfer. Now you'll send a file. In File Explorer or the Photos app, right-click the item, pick Share, and choose the nearby device from the list. If the target doesn't appear, make sure both laptops are unlocked, awake, and within close range, usually under 30 feet, and that Bluetooth is discoverable. You can select several files for batch transfer. The sender shows a progress indicator, while the receiver gets a notification to accept or decline. Accept to start copying. This confirms the connection and initiates the transfer. Finish by accepting the transfer on the receiving laptop. Files will save to the folder you specified earlier, so check Downloads or your chosen path. If a transfer fails or stalls, first toggle Nearby Sharing off and on, then restart Bluetooth on both machines and retry. This resolves most discovery or pairing hiccups. For persistent failures, update Windows and reinstall or update Bluetooth drivers because mismatched drivers commonly block discovery. Lastly, make sure no VPN or firewall rules are blocking local device communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.